Mentioned, thank you all for joining. My name is Mira and I'm from 3CX. And we are joined as well today with Roy from Fanvil. Um, Today's webinar is really centered around providing, the best solution for the hotel industry. As we know, as you all know, 3CX and Fanvil do complement each other very well. And in a specific sector, we see that it's let's say it's a really a winning solution, the 3CX plus Fanvil solution, and in the particular sector, which is the hotel industry. So during today's webinar, we'll see, from check-in to check-out, how 3CX and Fanvil elevate hotel efficiency. We will be starting with a quick rundown of the 3CX hotel solution and the specificity of what we have to offer. We will continue by an overview of the Fanvil Hotel IP phones, and then we'll discover the new Fanvil product. There's quite a lot of very nice surprises actually there. So hang on tight. And finally, we'll finish by highlighting why this combined solution is really, is the winning solution for the hotel industry. If you have any questions throughout the webinar, please feel free to write it in the chat, or ask any questions you might have. Towards the end, we will have some time to do some question and answers. But if you have any questions throughout the webinar, please feel free to write them in the chat, and we'll gladly answer them. Okay, then. So the 3CX hotel solution. So for anyone who doesn't really know why the 3CX hotel solution is the right solution for the hotel industry, I'll start by going over the really key benefits of 3CX for the hotel sectors, for the hotel sector in particular. So the 3CX solution is really specifically for the hotel industry. It's a cost-effective solution. It is included, so the hotel PBX is included in our Pro and Enterprise at no extra cost. There is no expensive add-ons. As we are an open standard solution, you can use existing infrastructure and the devices that you want to use with it. And it's really a plug-and-play solution with the IP phones such as Fanvil, SIP trunks, and gateway. So it's really a solution that doesn't require a completely new, a completely upgrade, let's say, of the existing infrastructures of hotels. It's a very easy solution to manage. You can easily add and remove extensions. As we don't have a per user license as well, this is a major actually win for the solution. It's very easy for the hotel staff as well to be able to manage, to block external calls when a room is not occupied. They are able to very easily delete all guest voicemails and reconfigure with the new guest name. So the whole management of the hotel solution is really optimized actually. With the PMS integration, so 3CX natively integrates with PMS. So most of the hotel related functions can be performed through our web client interface. If there is no PMS, and if there is a PMS, then you're really able to automate check-in, check-out, billing, and by having your integration with your PMS. So we are compliant. We are compliant with Macros, Fidelio, Roommaster, Hilton, and much more. So we follow the FIAS protocol in regards to PMS integration. So for PMS specifically, you can integrate with most, with most, if not all, the PMS solutions out there. Using the 3CX let's say hotel features will allow to guarantee guest satisfaction. So what is really important nowadays, this is something that we notice across all sectors and industries, not only in the hotel one, but what we notice is that the customer is really central around a successful business. So everything that has to do with the experience that is provided to the customer, everything that has to do with the, let's say, the personalized greetings, everything that really puts the customer in the center and the focal point of the interaction and of the business, basically. And if you are able to follow through with with let's say the customer standards that you have, then you are really able to be successful. So with the 3CX Hotel PBX, you're able to really personalize the greetings, as the reception or the staff is able to identify the guest name on reception, room service, and on the management phones. Um, the Hotel PBX of 3CX will allow guests to schedule wake-up calls and do not disturbs on their own from the phones inside their rooms. And you are able to offer, hotels are able to offer various communication channel for guests. So they are able to connect with the staff, with the chat, with the calls, with the mobile application, as all those tools of communications are available across all 3CX edition. Um, Now, another really key, let's say, key major selling point for 3CX in the hotel industry is um, it allows the hotels to really efficiently handle the calls. So it reduces guest waiting time and minimize the chance of missing calls. Um, as we as you all already know, 3CX has all the features. In all 3CX editions, you are able to have all the features available within that edition of 3CX. So the call queuing, the call center functionalities are already available in our Pro and Enterprise edition. Therefore, hotels can leverage on the call queuing features to direct the calls appropriately to the department or personnel promptly, really ensuring the best the best efficiency in call handling. Um, in regards to operations, 3CX really will enhance the 3CX Hotel PBX will enhance the operation of any hotel, as really it allows to streamline communication among the different staff member, and really ensure that that requests and information are channeled properly and are and any request is actioned upon promptly. Now, the mobile application will as well allow the hotel's employee to be a lot more flexible and mobile, let's say, as they will be able to through the mobile application to attend to guest requests on the move. The maid status as well will allow housekeeping to set the status via the phone. So if whenever a guest is checking in or checking out, the maid in the room is able to dial the different dial codes to inform the reception about the room status. Um, Another key, let's say, selling point of PPX for the hotel industry would be, I would say, the use of live chat for the website. So hotels are now able to add 3CX live chat to their website. They're able to create a live chat queue to include more than just the reception staff. And of course, since 3CX does integrate with WhatsApp and Facebook, they are able to leverage on that integration for fast response to guest queries. And obviously, as we have that functionality within 3CX, you can elevate any chat to a call with just a click of a button. So adding the live chat to the hotel's, let's say, website will allow that hotel to, get more booking and enhance the whole customer journey from before checking even.
Okay, thanks. Very wonderful. Thanks for Mira's sharing. Okay, so here's Roy. Um, and I noticed that there are some new friends today, and so this is maybe the first time I share with you Fanvil and the 3CX Hotel Solution, and hope it can help you to expand business in hotel market. So this part is Fanvil Hotel Phone, and let's begin. So you can see 3CX can provide a cloud PBX system, and Fanvil provide various hotel phones that can be used in different levels of hotel room. And H3 and H5 series are suitable for high-end room, and the H1 is a high-performance price choice for you. Therefore, we have compact hotel phone H2U, and it can be installed in hotel corridor and bathroom. And the red type can be used as emergency phone, so it can be used in security project. So this page shows programmable keys, as I just now. and it can be used to make a call to service hotline like housekeeping, ticket booking, and food or beverage, and so on. It can be used to provide exclusive hotel service such as morning call and voice message. And H5 series is more intelligent. If you modify those soft key on the web, the icon will show on the screen, and it will also change automatically. And the second feature is USB port, and I believe you can find the advantage of USB port. So you can see it's a practical design, and the residents can use it to charge their phone or pad. And Fanvil H5 and H3 series equipped with USB port. And the next one is SIP hotspot. Is also protocol design, and which can help our customer to save extension number. So, for example, when a phone can share its number to other phone, and when a phone call it through the server, and all phone will ring. So, if one phone respond, all ring will stop. And user can identify phone status with indicator. Basically, if you are configuring IP phone, red line means registration failed or network disconnected. And when calling, red line means you are in a call or you lift handset. And orange light means mute or call on light. And the next one is video preview. And so thanks for screen of H5 series. So it can preview other devices like video intercom, door phone, or IP camera. So for example, when someone needed to visit resident, he can check status outside. And next, let's talk about faceplate in this page. And for example, in some hotel project, customer may ask you whether they can show their own icon, and we can help you to solve this kind of problem. So you can customize the faceplate, and if you buy more than 200 IP phones at a time, we will provide you with customized service free of charge, and the delivery time is about 3 to 4 weeks. So this page shows more details. You can see from here. And we have a list which can be chosen by customer. You can see it has rich icons and show responding functions like message, call front desk, and such as message. And also, if you need to send the company logo to us, and you can share some information with us, like telephone number, your, an icon, many other information. So that is all I want to share with you about Fanvil Hotel IP phone. And the next part is our new product. Here you can see our new product. We have audio intercom Y501 series, A10 series, and we have Prime Business phone V63, and our new console phone A320i. Maybe some customer already buy A32i. The differences between the two products is it has a built-in camera. And we also have a Wi-Fi phone. Is also a portable choice for you. So let's begin. And the first one is our portable Wi-Fi phone, W610W, and it can also cooperate with PTT earphone, like the picture you see. So in the past, reception may need to prepare video intercom to communicate with cleaner or security personnel. And the Wi-Fi phone can help your customer to solve this kind of problem. It can connect network with dual-band Wi-Fi. And so staff in hotel can easily use their phone to make a call with the reception. And with the earphone, you can see here, HT601, the Wi-Fi phone can be very easy to use. So it has two buttons, one from here, one from here. And this button can be used to make a call, such as make a call with receptionist or make a call with like security room. And then another one is PTT button. It means push to talk. For example, it can be used to make internal communication in staff group. And not only for hotel, the Wi-Fi phone and the earphone can be used in many other projects like restaurant, barbershop, and many other projects. And also, as you see, the earphone has a clip from here, so it is very easy to clip it to your clothes. And some of our customer may want to know what the differences between it and W611W. So this page shows the differences. First, 610W is a cost-effective choice, and 611W is more powerful. So first, the screen of it is bigger, and the next, it supports Wi-Fi 6, so its network connection and speed will be better. And also, it supports IP67, so it can be used in like dust. It can probe both dust and water, and both of them support drop safe. Even they dropped from 1.7 meters high. And so when our customer to use W611W, some feedback that when environment is noisy, they can't hear the ring of the device. So we add a new function in the 710W. So when it comes a call, incoming call, it can vibrate. So it can be used to alarm user. And here is their new is the feature of it, like it supports Bluetooth, and it has a large battery, and also it supports 9 hours talk time and 200 hours standby time. And the next one is our new intercom A10 series CP Mini intercom. So it's a very easy and powerful intercom. You can see it has 3 programmable keys, and so it can be used to make an emergency call. For example, you can click it to call with a management center or receptionist. And also, all of those keys can be set customizable. So it can be used to set like hang up, redial, open door, or many other useful functions. Also, you can see it has various ports, so it can be connected with light and emergency button or sensor. So it can also be used as a simple indoor station. Resident can use it to easily make a call with receptionist or security room, or they can also open the door with just click it. And the next one is Y501 series audio intercom. So the most feature of it is that it can cooperate with a wireless button. You can see here, KT13. So it supports IP65. So this wireless key can be installed in bathroom. So for example, when resident fall in bathroom, he can just to click the button, and it will let the Y501 to make a call with like a receptionist or management room, so the resident can quickly get help. And what's more, it supports antibacterial material, and it can also link edge with third-party camera. And the W means that it has a Wi-Fi model, and it supports dual-band Wi-Fi. And also like A10 series, it support to connect with like door light, door strike, or emergency button. And here is our new V series business phone V63, and what's the differences between it and V62 is that it has a color screen, and the V62 is dual matrix screen. And also, just like V62, 64, 65, it can be a router phone. And the V64 is that it can support Bluetooth and dual-band Wi-Fi. And the differences between V65 and V64 is that it supports video code decoding, and it supports antibacterial material. And our high-end business phone V67, it is support Android operating system, so you can download your app in it, and it has a 10-inch color screen, and also support video decoding, and it also supports Bluetooth and dual-band Wi-Fi. So that's the differences between those model of V series business phone. Hope it can help you. And the next one is our console phone. Like I said just before, the differences between it and S32i is that it has a built-in camera, and it is a 8 megapixel camera. So it can be used to make a video call, or it can preview video. That's okay. And also it can be used to make third-party video conference. Also, it supports 116 desk keys. It has a 10-inch color screen and support dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And this page shows more detail of it. Besides built-in camera, color screen, desk keys, the A320i has a PTM button, PTM in its handset. So it means push to mute. For example, one man uses it to page, and this time another one has something to talk with him, but he doesn't want their voice heard by those terminals, so he can push the button. And this is a detailed specification of A320i. Besides, I said just before, it is also support 2 color, and you can see you can choose a white color or gray color. And what I want to share with you is that the A320i has a built-in public address software, and it can be used to realize multiply broadcast functions like real-time broadcast, schedule task, emergency broadcast, and many other functions. And here I want to share with you a video of it, and maybe it can help you to understand it better. So please wait for a moment. I'm going to share my screen. So does anybody can say my screen is a video? Okay, so let's begin. So the A320i, it has integrated public address software, and uh, so it can cooperate with our IP service speaker or our paging gateway, and its wiring is very easy. Just need PoE switch, and network cable. And it also supports schedule plan. So if you need your task to play in time, you can use it to set your plan. Also, you can choose those terminals and the time you need to play. Okay, hope the video can help all of you to understand our public address software better. And next, I want to show with you that we have a video web link, and you can easily to go to the web link from it. And as you see, you can get many of our video from it. You can see we have H1, H2U, and the paging system video from it. So it is also a very useful functions. And the next, I want to come back. So that is the public address software integrated in 320i is the most differences between it and other IP phone. It can be used to make emergency broadcast, real-time broadcast, and schedule tasks. And also, it support recording and conference or make calling. And if you has any project need to use it, please feel free to contact us. So that is all I want to share with you about our new product. And the next part is combined solution. Hello, Mira.
Hello, hi, how are you? Great. Thank you very much. It was very informative. I must say that we have a lot of projects with in hotels with Fanvil, and uh, feedback that we often receive from various partners is that Fanvil is a very reliable phone. It's a very, I mean, the solution works perfectly well. It's a plug and play, and usually, I mean, and all up to date, all customers are very happy with using those phones with 3CX. And specifically, a big plus for Fanvil is that it has a large product offering. So it has from, let's say, the devices that are low cost to the more expensive high-end solution. Mm. Now, in regards to the combined solution, um, so I mean, this was gathered by actually our colleague at Fanvil, and we were able to show that the data in the hotel industry today, I mean, it's showing a bit of recovery compared to the previous years of COVID-19, unfortunately. So as you all know, COVID-19 impacted all businesses, but specifically more let's say, the hotel industry and the tourism industry. So leading players of the hotel industry are returning now pre-COVID-19 levels. So they're going back on track. And in 2022, we see that the net profit rate for the 2022 Q3 is even higher than 2019. I mean, previous years. So a lot of hotels, due to all this COVID-19 issue, are really paying attention now to cost, to efficiency. So they no longer want to spend thousands on solutions that are too expensive to maintain, too expensive to install, and doesn't really allow them to be efficient. What hotels today want is exactly what I just said now. They want a solution that works, that is cost effective, and that will bring them results. And this is exactly what Fanvil plus 3CX is able to do. Um, so um, again, I mean, generally speaking, the IP phones and wireless intercom can't transmit directly unless it's a transit device. So, for example, when the receptionist communicates with other staff, an extra wireless intercom is required. So, with the solution, again, you can enhance communication efficiency with the new Fanvil solution. If you want, Roy, just to touch a bit on that. Roy, sorry. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, if you
hello.
can just, yes, hi Roy. Sorry, so if you can just elaborate a little bit more on this, on how, I mean, how Fanvil can enhance the communication um, in this particular solution.
Okay, I'm gonna share with you how it works. And so in this page, you can see that, uh, and and this is my observation. So generally, the receptionist of a hotel, they may need to prepare IP phone and radio intercom. So when he need to communicate with the staff, he need to prepare another radio intercom. So that is not very easy to use. And the IP phone system and the radiocom system, if there are not, so if there are not a translated device, they can't communicate with each other. And so this time our gateway can help. So it can communicate with radio intercom and IP phone system. So with it, the radio intercom can communicate with our IP phone or our wireless phone. And for example, when emergency happens, the security personnel, he can page, he can use its radio intercom to page specific rooms like IP speakers or IP phone.
Thank you,
Okay,
Roy. Thank you. Mm,
and
mm,
the next one is the diagram of the hotel solution, and you can see from this page, you can see where to install our product.
mm. Roy, I think I lost audio. Uh, Roy, I lost audio, maybe. Okay, I think I'm not the only one who lost Roy. Can everybody hear me? Yes, I lost audio as well with Roy. Um, I see he's no longer connected into the webinar. Can you hear me? Can everybody hear me? Just making sure. Okay, perfect. That's yes. Yeah, I lost Roy as well. So just yeah, just to continue on what was Roy saying. So basically, this yeah, in this diagram you'd see where you can basically install um, the different, let's say the different devices. Yes, thank you, Crook. The different devices of Fanvil. So obviously, as I mentioned already, they do have standard devices. So for standard rooms, they have superior devices. It looks
I
like
mean,
hi,
there have some problems in our network, maybe.
no worries.
Okay, doesn't matter. So now, can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So let's start begin. And like I say just now, you can install our hotel phone to each room, and H2UE is also suitable for corridor and bathroom. And the IP console phone can be used in receptionist and management center. What's more, if you need more function, Fanvil industry product is good for you. For example, IP speaker can be used to build a public address system, and the door phone can be installed at the entrance, and it can cooperate with indoor station. And in Office, you can install our IP phone, and the moving staff can equip with Wi-Fi phone, and those products can be registered in 3CX system. And with your management platform, maintenance and management will be easy. Okay. And in this page, I want to show with all of you how to deploy our devices. So in the past, you may need to a customer may need to log in the web of IP phone and modify parameter again and again, even though they are common used. And now you can customer can solve this kind of problem with our new device management software, the DM. Basically, you can divide it into three steps. First, customer can install our products, and the products introduced in the solution support PoE power supply, so installation will be easy. Secondly, customer can use the DM to search, choose, and modify parameter and such as SIP account, network connection, and that will be easy. So, and next, if customer need more details to modify, they can click the IP address from the board and quickly log in the web. And the last one is our contact information of our sales system. So if our customers are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us. And that is a channel for Middle East region. For example, you just need to click it and you can see the channel. And maybe I need to share with it in my computer. So please wait for a moment. And here you can see that is the channel I suggested before. And our new product like X305, the video door phone, and our new solution will be loaded to the channel. And please feel free to contact us. That is a very useful channel. And let's come back. Okay, next, Mira.
Thank you.
Can
Thank
you
you.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay, can you hear me now? Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yes, yes.
Thank you very much, Roy, for that. And I just want to finish, with basically the highlight of the hotel solution that we saw earlier. So, why choose Fanvil and PCX for your hotel project? So, first, we do offer a solution that is at a lower cost. So as a faster deployment speed, you can save on wiring costs, especially for hotel rooms with installed networks that already have something installed. So then you can use, for example, Wi-Fi enabled models. The fact that our solution is an open platform, so you can choose local or in the cloud server. There's no need to build local server room to install 3CX. Various models in regards to the phones you can have from entry level to high end level to meet the different hotel needs, depending on the specific requirements. It's a very easy to deploy and manage solution, especially when it's combined together. um, the worst thing you can do is to sell a solution to your customer that takes so much from your time to manage and to support, that you spend all your time doing that. So the solution works like a charm, and it's very easy to keep up to date. And most importantly as well, it's a very easy to use solution. Another key element when deploying any type of solution for any customer in any industry, it's very important to keep in mind, how much time will it take for your customers and user to adopt the solution and to be able to use it efficiently, because again, that is something that for businesses that is very important. So the solution, the phones, as we saw, you can customize the different buttons, which makes it a very beautiful solution. And 3CX interface itself is very, very easy to use for reception staff that needs to, let's say, perform check-in or check-out operations. Um, and obviously the advanced unified communication. So you have mate codes to streamline operations, the different means of communication with video calls, with all the different, let's say, tools that are available for you. So it's I would say the key element to remember is that um, we have a solution that incorporates all the, let's say, all the hotel needs. So you can check in and check out guests via the PMS or the web client. You are able to set guest extension to do not disturb. You're able to blocking of external call when a room is not occupied. Obviously, you have the voice messages, and then you can delete the guest voice messages as they check out. You can schedule wake-up calls. You're able to bill calls from room via the PMS. Um, Furthermore, you can allow housekeeping to set room status via the phone, so the mate codes, and obviously the wireless intercom that will allow you to communicate at a larger scale. So yeah, I think what's important to remember is that as well, a lot of the functionalities of 3CX are perhaps, or even the Fanvil phones are perhaps not necessarily specifically targeted at the hotel industry, but you are able to incorporate them within the hotel setup, like as we mentioned, the live chat. So live chat is not necessarily a feature that we developed or we pushed for hotels, but it is still a feature that hotels can highly benefit from. Mobile applications, call queues, and much more, as mentioned already. And yeah, to recap, basically what we saw today, what we went over today was a bit about the 3CX hotel solution. So what are the key elements of this hotel solution that we have? We had an overview of the different IP phones that Fanvil has for hotels, and we saw their new product. Actually, there was quite a nice new products I saw in the presentation. I'm personally already testing their Wi-Fi phone, and it works like a charm. Um, and we finally finished by the combined solution, and really why it's the winning product, basically, to present your product.
Okay, thanks for Mira's sharing.
My
Very
pleasure.
helpful.
Mm. Okay.
So,
Mm.
as here is Q&A part.
Okay, so we had just we're going to go over the first questions. I mean that we had throughout the chat. If you want to add some more questions, please feel free to add in the chat. So we had a question about if we can integrate with IPTV technology. So I asked to elaborate what you'd like to achieve by this integration, but I see that he's no longer in the chat, so we reach out to him to understand more. So the other question we had is that if 3CX supports Cisco via Alcatel Lucent and Grandstream. Well, what is very important to know is that we do support a lot of devices, different devices, but we do have preferred providers such as Fanvil. So we have preferred partners, and why we select as preferred partner? We select them on multiple criteria. The first one is um, the solution itself. So the quality of their devices, the quality of what they have to offer. So the quality, we do evaluate a partner by the technology that they have as well, the technology advancement. How much time does it take for them to get a new phone out? If they are, 360 has a lot of updates all the time, so we want a partner that is just like us, and Fanvil is exactly that. And finally, on their commercial benefits. So for that, we really select, handpick our preferred partners. Um, we do support a lot of devices, and you are able to integrate with different devices, even if it's not supported. But we do not advise you to do so. We really advise you to go with our preferred providers because we know it works. We know their support is good, and we know that they are up to the standards that you would want as a partner and customer. Um, so that's to answer your question. And visitor management system. What I would need to understand exactly more is what we'd like to achieve. As I said again, I shared a link below on how to use, for example, door phones. So, and in that use case specifically, in the example we have used the Fanvil door phone. I'll share it again here so you can all have a look. So yeah, what you will need to do is elaborate a bit more what you mean by that. So for example, I just shared it now. You can see that that blog post about how to use basically the Fanvil door phone with 3CX. Um, so there was a question for Fanvil. So do you have any plan to support other radio frequencies?
Okay, because just now the platform may have the network environment may have some problems, so I can't see any problems from the chat room. Okay, just to say just before, uh, uh, can thanks for your all information. We do have a plan to uh, develop a new gateway to support more frequencies. Okay, if your customers or you have any all of you have any questions about the Fanware product, please feel free to contact us after the webinar, and you can also contact us with email. And thanks for all of your join the webinar. Thank you, Mira.
My pleasure. Thank you all for joining. So we will be sharing via email the presentation as well as the recording. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. It's with pleasure that we'll assist. Thank you all.